Good morning. My name is Mike Lutz. I'm with United Technologies Aerospace Systems, and we make airplane parts, along with other things, some other interesting things. I work in the corporate office, and we're responsible for coordinating safety programs globally. So that means it's up to me to figure out how to make sure the TapRooT process is working across the enterprise and delivering results. So there are really two things that help my office do that. And the first thing that we require through a program is the review of all TapRoots across our 120, 140, I don't know, I'm losing count. It's soon going to be 170 sites. There's a review required. The presenter is the supervisor of the employee who is injured. The audience includes the plant manager's supervisor, which is usually an ops director and sometimes a VP. So, EH&S is there from a consulting role, but really we're there to ensure that the resources are there to carry out the corrective actions, and also, obviously, by the time it gets to that level, the TapRooT has been refined. The other thing that makes the process work for us is, we have weekly reports that, and as some others have said, we share what's happened globally, make sure that there's read across. And in some cases, if the severity is high enough, we make sure, we validate that sites have taken action based on the TapRoots that we've had. The other thing that we do is we actually, and some people say, well, you can't put a time limit on a TapRoot, but we do have a target of 30 days, 14 days to conduct the TapRooT, 30 days to have the report out. And if it takes more time, that's fine, but we need to have that discussion, and there needs to be a good reason. Otherwise, it just drags out. So with that weekly report, we report out on status and where we're at and what needs to happen and where, and also the 4-blocker report out, which is the read across. So you've probably seen a 4-blocker or a Z chart. You have an incident description, the causal factors, the root causes, and the corrective actions. So those are kind of ways that we make sure that TapRoot's being used robustly across our enterprise. Thanks.